Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is NuNorm, and we are a makeup line formulated for men's skin. We saw a major gap in the market for accessible makeup for men. So let's get into the core collection breakdown. The first product that I'd like to introduce you guys to is our Tinted Hydrator. Our Tinted Hydrator comes in 10 different shades, so there's a shade for anybody out there. This is going to be more of a moisturizer slash primer, and you can use this before you apply the other products, or it can be used as alone just to even out the skin. A hero ingredient in this product is going to be the hyaluronic acid. What hyaluronic acid is going to do, it's going to grab the moisture that's in the air, bring it to your skin, and repair that moisture barrier. So this is going to be a great first step for your makeup. The next product I'm going to show you guys is going to be the Quick Cover Stick. The Quick Cover Stick is going to come in 17 different shades, so there's going to be a shade for everybody out there. And this is where most of your coverage is going to come from. So if that's going to be just concealing a little spot that you have that day, or all the way to full face for camera ready. There's also going to be a brush on the other end, and that's going to allow you just to blend out the product. And even if you go in with that contour shade, go ahead and blend with the brush. I use two different shades with the Quick Cover Stick, so I'll go in with my actual skin tone, but then I'll go in with a warmer, deeper tone as well, so that I can give a contour to my face and give some shape. Check out that other video that I made with this product and how I use the two different shades in my everyday routine. The next product I'm going to talk to you guys about is going to be our Brow Rescue. The Brow Rescue comes in 8 different shades, so any hair color shade, or as for me, I like a dark brow, so I always reach for a little bit darker. This can also be used not just for the brow, but it can also be used for facial hair to cover any of those sparse areas. These are made out of Japan wax and budge proof, and they truly last all day. I've ran 8 miles with this product on, and I still had brows at the end of the day. The next product I'm going to talk to you guys about is going to be the Akumi brush. This brush is going to be able to blend all the products together. It's going to be able to use it dry or wet. You can use it with the powder, you can use it with the moisturizer, or even the Quick Cover Stick. So this is just going to be your one and done brush for the whole entire line. The last product that I'm going to talk to you guys about is my final product that I use in my everyday routine, and that's going to be the Shine Eraser. So our Shine Eraser comes in 3 different shades, light, medium, and dark. I use this to blot any oils that I have that come throughout the day. Everyone has oils, natural oils in their skin, so this is a great thing that you can have in your bag. Just throw it in and just do a little quick touch up. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed each product that is in our core collection. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those down in the comments below, and we'd be happy to answer any questions for you.